Please, this is our DG. I would like to at the same time welcome our Assistant Governor, Mr. Sandarman Shrestha.
First PDG of Nepal, PDG Tikaman Dai. I'm the spouse viewer. Welcome you all and thank you very much for coming.
Organize weekly club meeting every week. President and Secretary will be preparing the agenda of the club meeting in order to run the weekly club meeting effectively. Club assembly has been planned to be held every 3 months. Monthly attendance report of the club was prepared and sent to the district every month. The club has more than 60% the membership attendance in club meeting.
यो प्रोजेक्ट पनि एउटा एक्जेम्पलरी प्रोजेक्ट जस्तो मलाई लागिरहेछ र यसको फाइनान्शियल कन्ट्रिब्युसन कति छ भने यो नेपालको रोटरी क्लबले म्याचिङ ग्रान्टमा गएको मात्र 2000 हगि 10 वटा क्लब र प्लस अर्को 3 वटा क्लबले कन्ट्रिब्युट गर्दैछ त्यो यसमा 25000 भन्दा बढ्ता हुने कारणले गर्दाखेरि यो अकाउन्ट बन्द देखाएको यसको अर्थ छुट्टै हुन्छ.
The remaining fund was utilized in making toilet and equipment around the club building, so as to prevent the seepage from the surrounding areas. That has been closed recently. And other two projects which Sulman was talking about one was the irrigation project of about $31,000. That is in Tumka actually. There's a Banjagud VDC, and that area is in the mountain areas where there's a scarcity of water, and they could only harvest a little bit of wheat or rye.
Thank you, Mr. Manji, for presenting wonderful report and wonderful project you are doing. So we must appreciate them, both of them.
It is indeed a matter of great pleasure for me to be here with you all to submit a program for the year 2011 with the capacity of International Service Director. As we all are quite familiar with the fourth objective of Rotary, the advancement of international understanding, goodwill and peace through a world fellowship of business and professional persons united in the ideal service. My plan and program are as follows. Contribution to TRF through 3 BHF.
Thank you all the chairpersons. We know, as we recognize in our award ceremony, RI has also recognized us when we have achieved some target in membership and the Rotary Foundation, the TRF. So membership this year our goal is 300, and with help of all of our clubs, I think this including a new club. For information, we already this year 2 clubs already joined us. One is Madhya Buddhu Kawasati. It is in between Chitwan and Budwal, called Danda, the place called Danda. Second is in Daman with 33 and one is 34. And some clubs are adding very good numbers of membership. So thank you for this. With our RI President is also requesting us, when we induct, please induct some lady member in the club, because in your list there is a lady member missing. You don't have any lady member in your club. But as I come to know today that we are going to induct one lady member, this year our President Vijay will take care of it. Right, sir?
Yes, yes. And with regard to the lady, a female member of the for the club, I'm glad one of the 3 is a female lady, a young lady, very beautiful lady, and I request her, after she is inducted, to also please try to bring some of her female friends. And with this, I call the meeting to order.
So
Thank you. Mr. Puran Vishnu, a good friend of mine, I requested him to give me his full introduction, but he is so known that he has given a very short one, and he knows the constant of our time. Thank you anyway, Mr. Puranji. She is a multifaceted personality. Born in 1984, Mrs. Surina Sakya presently is the Business Development Officer at Lakshmi Bank.
Name is PhD Dr. Kamal Krishna Shrestha. Date of birth is November 16, 1946.
I am very pleased and proud to induct three eminent personalities as the member of this Rotary Club of Patan West. Mrs. Surina Sakya, Mr. Puran Prasad Bishta, Dr. Kamal Krishna Shrestha have been chosen to membership in the Rotary Club of Patan West because your fellow members believe you to be a leader in your vocation, and because you embody these qualities of mind and spirit which enable you to interpret and impart the message of Rotary to those you meet. You are the representative of your vocation in this club, and any contribution of an education value pertaining to that vocation must naturally come to us through you. On the other hand, you become the ambassador from us to your classification, and it becomes your duty to carry the ideals and the principles of service to your work. We believe our principles and the organization to be safe in your keeping. We also expect much from you in help and inspiration, which will enable us to better
I, on behalf of three newly inducted members, Surina Sakya, Kamal Krishna Shrestha, and myself, of course, would like to extend gratitude to the Board of Members for our induction into the members of Rotary Club of Patan West, and thank for the warm welcome given to us by our fellow Rotarians. Let's hope three of us would sincerely serve the interest of the club, which in turn would help those who are desperately in need. The intention of joining this club is to leave a lasting impact on the society so that our next generations would follow what we seniors have learned and done for the benefits of the society.
It's a very large honor for this GSC team to be here, presently in Nepal. We arrived this morning. We are aware of a number of projects that have occurred between Seattle and Nepal.
I thank you all, congratulate club president and the members of the club. They are doing wonderful thing, and today they have inducted three new members with a different classification, and one such a classification which we don't have in our district. So I congratulate the new members as well as the existing club members and the president for that.
District officials and visiting Rotarians 11, GSE team members 4, spouses and guests 17, sunshine collection rupees 650.
Thank you all.